Picking an espresso coffee bean. Espresso beans are simply coffee beans that have been pressed to make a specific type of coffee, understood as espresso. If you understand the easy steps to picking an espresso bean, you can easily find the finest bean for your coffee. Taste. The term espresso bean is utilized. It is possible to make espresso from any coffee bean available. You simply need to think of the taste of coffee that you take pleasure in. You will want a bean that has a darker roast if you like a more bitter taste. If you want a more subtle taste, you should select a lighter roast. Again, any coffee bean can be pressed to make espresso. Power. How much strength do you want in your espresso? The more powerful the taste of the bean, the more powerful your beverage will be. The more the caffeine in the bean, the more the caffeine in the espresso. It is very important to bear in mind that espresso can be found in shot sizes. You cannot look at the coffee bean if you want a more effective beverage. You just need to include an extra shot of espresso to your beverage. Cost. When you are selecting beans to make espresso in the house, you need to think about expense. How much are you happy to invest in coffee? While the more pricey beans and roasts may have good flavor, are they necessary for the beverages that you are making? If the drink that you make is greatly watered down with coffee and milk or cream, you may not wish to spring for a more costly coffee bean.